Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I thought I'd get really creative and try something a little bit different. This is a very blushed pink lovesick look. So if you want to see how I created this, then keep on watching. What do you guys think of this new hairdo? So, oh my god, fake tan hands. I kind of feel like Britney Spears. I'm gonna roll this down because oh my god, it's choking me. I'm gonna be starting with the face first, which is something I never usually do. So I'm gonna go in with a Porefessional and I'm gonna be applying that just to the cheek area. I don't really like putting pore filler all over my whole face. I just kind of feel like it's like a waste of the product and it only works best where your pores are most visible. So for the rest of the face, to prime like the neck and around the sides, I'm going to be using Angel Veil by Nyx. For foundation, I'm going to be taking my Revlon ColourStay Foundation in the shade Porcelain. It's in the shade Ivory, isn't it? In the shade Ivory. First, just dropping some onto the back of my hand to heat up that product. Taking some of my Sparkling Love drops by L'Oreal Paris. I'm going to drop a few into that foundation. I'm going to be trying something new. This is the FastBase Concealer by Makeup Revolution. So you guys know that I love it. They're Conceal and Define. And when I seen this, I thought, okay, I have to buy this. I have the foundation version, the FastBase. So I'm hoping that this is good. Just going to be applying some under the eye and anywhere where I have a little bit of a breakout. For my next product though, I'm going to go in and cream contour, and for that I'm going to be using L'Oreal Paris Infallible Sculpt. So this is what this looks like. It comes with a concealer. Oh, I thought that lid was going to go all the way up there. It comes with a concealer and it also comes with a cream contour. So I'm going to go in with the cream contour one and carve out my cheeks. Where my brush be at, man? Gently does it. And we're just going to leave it like that. Applying a little bit to my chin because, well, because. For brows today, I want them to be nice and sharp, but I don't want them too bold. I want them to be like more fluffy, light. So I'm going to go in with Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade and Taupe. Now that that part's done, I'm going to go in with that same concealer and I'm going to carve out my brows and get them that nice sharp shape I was talking about. Making money like I'm in, laying on my ice like shrimp.
It's a bird, it's a plane, superwoman, say my name. He said beggars can't be choosers. Yeah, bitches got me looking like Mozart. Yeah.
I'm not even sorry. Next, I'm going to take my medical sponge and blend this out, and then I'm going to set it with some RCMA translucent powder. Now just taking my Maybelline Fit Me powder, I'm going to stamp this all over the rest of the face. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to bronzing up my face. What am I using for bronzer? Oh no, I forgot bronzer. Okay, so now I'm moving on to bronzing up my face, and I'm going to be taking my Cheek Parade palette by Benefit. This is what the inside of the palette looks like. I'm going to be taking a Hoola, which is the original bronzer, and I'm going to be bronzing up my cheeks. Now that we are a bronzed goddess, I'm going to be taking California and I'm going to be blushing up my cheeks. I'm also going to be bringing this just over the nose a little bit to give that kind of lovesick look. Now it's time for the really exciting bit, and the bit that's kind of scaring me because I don't want it to go wrong at this point, but I'm moving on to the eyes, and I'm going to be taking this. This is Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick in the shade American Doll, and I'm going to be applying that all over the entire lid. So I've got brush ready in hand because this stuff dries so quick, and if you don't move fast with it, it's like whatever you put it down, that's it, it's staying there. So I'm going to start by just applying it all over the lid, and I can't really talk when I'm doing this, but I'm going to be blending it through the crease and stopping exactly there. Now that we have that nice and pigmented the way that I like it, I'm going to be taking this palette by Juvia's Place, and this is the Magic palette. I'm going to be taking Koji, I think that's the name. I've used this palette before and still can't pronounce half the names, so I think it's Koji or Kogi, one of them. This really red shade. Taking a lot of it on a fluffy Morphe brush, and I'm going to be blending it through the crease and really diffusing it as far out as possible. Now I'm going to be using something so cute, you guys are going to freaking die. This is by Makeup Revolution. It's a donut. It's a donut. This is called the I Heart Revolution Raspberry Icing Donut. And look how cute this is. It's actually squidgy like a donut. This is what the inside looks like. I'm going to be taking this shade right here just to help diffuse that red out even more. And I'm going to be bringing it just even further out. So in order to build up a little bit more intensity, I'm going to be taking this shade right here, and I'm going to be packing that all over the lid. You guys, I 100% swear to God this smells like raspberry icing. That's probably why it's called raspberry icing. Oh my god. Okay, never mind. So that I can connect this whole eye together, I'm going to be taking some more of that American Doll by Anastasia, and I'm just going to put like a couple of little dots under the eye and then blend them out. Now I'm just going to take some of Koji from the Magic palette and blend that out even more. So for the last bit of shadow, I really want the inner corner to pop, and I couldn't think of a better shadow than this one right here. This is Bahamas by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is the Rivera Palette. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to be taking this palette here. This you don't actually get anymore, like it's not available for purchase. I don't know why they done away with it. It's one of my favourites, but this is by Primark, which is a UK brand, and this is their Pure Blush palette. Look at this, wow. So this is what it looks like. On this side we have highlights, and on this side we have two blushes. So I'm going to be taking this shade right here, and I'm going to be really concentrating on the high points of my cheeks, just to blend the eyeshadow down further and make me look as blushy as possible. Oh my god, my nose is itchy. Why yes, I did just purr, because I am that crazy cat person, okay? I'm looking in this palette like it has a mirror and it doesn't. Now it's time for highlighting, and I'm going to be taking one of my favourite palettes again. This is by Sigma, and it's their Chroma Glow Kit. So this is what the palette looks like on the inside. I'm going to be taking a Lush, and I'm going to be applying it all over the cheeks because we don't have enough blush, you know? To highlight the brow bone and the rest of the face, like the nose and the cheeks and a little bit on the chin, a little bit on the forehead. Elsewhere, I'm going to be taking Zeal. Just going to spray my brush with some Dewy Set by Anastasia. Wow. Look at that highlight. Now just to add a little bit more shimmer across that lid, I'm going to be taking this right here. This is by e.l.f. and it is a liquid eyeliner called Pink Opal. So now that that glitter is almost fully dry, I'm going to be taking some of this liner. It's a lip liner, but I'm going to be using it on the eyes. It's by Bourjois and it's called Plum It Up. What I'm going to do is put this through my bottom waterline. Now it's time for the really fun part. I'm going to be taking these gems, specifically only the pink rose, and I'm probably going to stop maybe about here. So I'm not going to take anything that my hand is covering just because I think they're a bit too big. So what I'm going to do to apply these is I've just taken some lash glue and I'm going to be taking this little tool here. This is for your nails to like create little dots and stuff, but it comes in so handy when applying little gems and things to your eyes. So I've just taken some lash glue on this surface and I'm going to go in and just randomly place them. So there is one down. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest and I will be right back. Okay, so there is one eye done. I'm going to go ahead and try and mimic this on the other side and I will be right back. Okay, so that's as equal as I can possibly get them. Next, I'm going to be moving on to mascara. And the one I'm going to be taking is the Paradise Extatic by L'Oreal Paris. So for lashes today, I'm going to be using this pair right here. I've actually already taken them out just for filming purposes, but this pair is called Italy, and I'm going to be applying them using my favourite lash glue, Lash Lock by Glad Lash. Now I'm just going to go ahead and apply some bottom mascara and we are going to move on to lips. For the lips, I'm going to go ahead and over outline using Revlon's Nude Lip Liner. And for liquid lipstick, I'm going to be taking Jeffree Star's Rose Matter. And just to finish off the lips with a little bit of sparkle, I'm going to be taking L'Oreal Paris's, this is their Dazzle lip glosses and this is in the shade Sparkle Shower. This is such a beautiful lip gloss. I'm going to insert a little clip on the screen that you guys can watch just to see how sparkly this is. Literally. And to finally finish this look, I'm going to be taking some clear brow gel by Anastasia and setting my brows in place. So guys, that completes today's tutorial. I really hope that you enjoyed this. If you did, then remember to give it a huge thumbs up. Probably one of my most favourite looks that I've filmed so far. And feel free to leave your opinion in the comments below. Let me know what you thought of this makeup look. If you haven't yet already, then please remember to subscribe. It would mean so much to me if you became part of my little family. Thank you all so much for watching and I will hopefully see you all in my next video. Mwah! Bye guys!